Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Leo. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So Leo, let's get started and let's look at your overall energy. The overall energy for you is the Ten of Wands. So, Ten of Wands is an energy of being very burdened, feeling very tired, wanting to let go or ready to let go of something or someone. Uh, I feel that you have, you're kind of done with something that you've been carrying around for too long now. Like for some of you, you've been doing all the work in the relationship. For some of you, there has been a lot of issues between you and somebody, and you're just wanting to let it all go because it's kind of heavy. It's feeling heavy for you. So you are now just done with that, and you just want to feel. You just want to offload that baggage. Okay, so let me see what this means. Ten of Wands. Yeah, Six of Wands. You want to move forward and you want to feel good about yourself. Uh, you're done feeling like you have failed in something, like because I feel that's how you, because you've been doing all the work, you've been putting all the effort. I feel somewhere this relationship has been like a bit one sided, and you felt that baggage and that burden, and now you just want some victory. You want to release something, you want to let go of some issues and move towards something more successful. Okay, you want to feel good about yourself. Because I feel somewhere that you have done your best. Okay, so tell me more. Yeah, you're kind of regaining your confidence in the month of October. I feel that you are trying to regain your confidence. You're also working on yourself. You have a lot of admirers in this month, like coming towards you, a lot of offers as well. And somewhere you want to, again, like I said, you feel good about yourself. You feel good when people appreciate you, when people kind of compliment you. So I see that you're kind of slowly building on your self confidence, okay, and you're just ready to let go of things that are not working out. Let me look at your person side. What is going on with them? What is their overall energy? They have the Three of Pentacles. Why does this person have the Three of Pentacles? So this person, and like if they have not been in touch with you, if they have been missing from your life, they are rushing towards you. This person now feels that they may have made a mistake by either ignoring you or by not being with you. They are wanting to rush in, okay, because they want to now put effort into this relationship. I also see this is somebody who's very impulsive, who's in and out, gone, coming today, gone tomorrow. Like, it's very, like a very impulsive energy. Ten of Swords is here. This person feels betrayed, or they feel like something has come to an end. They feel like maybe you moving on is somewhere a red flag for them, because they know now they don't have much time. If they don't act now, they'll miss that opportunity to be with you. So let's see current situation between the two of you. Current situation is the Knight of Cups. Why is the Knight of Cups here? Oh, there is a new beginning. Ace of Cups. And the King of Wands. So again, this could be, if this is not somebody you have been separated from, I feel this is somebody who has been through an ending with someone else, and this is someone new coming towards you. You on your side have also been through a difficult cycle with somebody, and you're releasing that baggage and moving on. And this person also on their side have been through something difficult and ending that cycle and coming towards you, because the current energy between the two of you is the Ace of Cups. So either this is a renewal or this is something new altogether. I see a romantic message coming in. This person is also, I mean, I see the King of Wands, which is your energy. So you are also very passionate about this person. I see a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Now, what is in the past for you? I want to look at your past energy. In the past, you have the Magician. So you have been manifesting something or someone in your life. Tell me more about the Magician. Yeah, there was an ending in your past. Okay, so I see that you have been trying to rebuild your life after that ending. You've been trying to move on from something and you've been manifesting something new in your life. What about this person's past? This is somebody who's been very withdrawn, very reserved. Even if you had approached them in the past, I feel they were very held back. Okay, yeah, Three of Cups. So maybe you both knew each other, you have been friends, but this person has not been very open with their feelings or emotions, very reserved, very held back. Somebody who does not know how to open up or maybe emotionally be vulnerable. This person is showing up as King of Swords. Somebody who has difficulty expressing themselves emotionally. So let's look at your current feelings for this person. You feel rejected by them, you feel a bit disappointed by this person because like I said, this person has been reserved, but they are rushing towards you. So you've been at a crossroad, like you've been wondering if this person really does like me or not, because they are giving you mixed signals. This person, what is their feelings for you? They are rushing in. Okay, so I don't know what they are coming across as. Maybe they are coming across as cold and distant, but the fact is that they are rushing towards you. They want to come towards you. They want forward movement. They are releasing some judgments. They're releasing their past and coming towards you with a new beginning, a new start. So let's see what is the challenge or blockage on your side. The challenge for you is the Six of Pentacles. So for you, the challenge here is that in imbalance here, because you may have in the past, maybe you were the one putting the effort and being vulnerable, but this person has not been putting equal energy. And for you, that is a no go. Like you can't be in a relationship which is very imbalanced. Um, so, what is the challenge for this person? The challenge here is the Three of Wands. They have been expecting you to do all the work, okay, and they've not really done or shown you enough. Like they've not opened up, even if they do have long-term plans for you, or they do want something very long-term with you, but they have not really taken action because they've been trying to let go of something. They've been trying to look at things from a different perspective. They've been a bit stagnant. So that's their biggest block. What is the future action here from your side? You are willing to give this person another try. You are willing to give them a chance. You have good memories. Yeah, Eight of Cups is here. So I feel that somewhere you don't mind giving this person another chance provided they come to you. Okay, so Ace of Wands, I see you kind of trying to revive this relationship with this person or trying to get this person to open up to you. What is this person's action going to be? Devil, Capricorn energy. Why is the devil here? Four of Wands. Why is the devil here with the Four of Wands? See, this person is resisting. That's a problem. Like they want something, but they are not showing that, or they are kind of behaving in another way. They want to come towards you, but they are just resisting this relationship. So it's very confusing. Let's see what is the outcome. And that's why the devil is showing up, because that's very toxic. They have deep feelings for you, but they pretend like they don't care. Okay, and that is toxic. What is the outcome? Outcome is the Fool. So I do see that you both are taking that leap of faith. Um, but there are a lot of hidden emotions. It's going to take a while for this person to really open up, because there is a lot that is hidden. Okay, so even if they do take a step forward, it's going to be very guarded, very measured. Yeah, there's still a long way for you, for the both of you to go. Okay, because especially from this person's side, I feel there's a lot of healing that they need to do, and they need to work on themselves. So I don't see any immediate spontaneous relationship. Like, I feel that it's going to take a while for this person to really accept and come forward with their emotions and be really comfortable and open towards you. So yeah, that's going to take a while. So let's look at what this person, what do they want to tell you. This person, what do they want to tell you, Leo? We will be together again. So yes, this person does intend coming towards you, but right now, like I said, they are focused more on themselves and their emotions. But they say that they are going to, you both are going to be together again. So many things remind me of you. They are constantly reminded of things when they look at things. They think of you a lot. I'm afraid to contact you. That is true. That we've already seen. I look for you everywhere. So again, like, there's a very, this person is very complex because they want you or they want to be with you, but they are holding back for some reason. I hid who I really am from you. So yeah, very clearly this person is holding back. Okay. So Leo, this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe to my channel. If you wish to book a private reading, all my contact details are on the screen in the description box. Check it out there. And you can reach out to me for more details. If you have PayPal, you can directly book on my website. And I'll be back with another reading, but please do like, share, and subscribe. I will see you again.